LiveGood 6-pack of premium essential oils. Lemon, lavender, mint, peppermints, tea tree, frankincense, and an immunity blend of clove, cinnamon, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. But today, guys, we're talking about frankincense. I've said before that peppermint's probably my favorite oil just because I love to use it so often for that invigorating effect. But frankincense is right there, close second. I use it all the time. Look, I'm in my early 40s. It's great for skincare. I'll give you some examples in a second, but it's not just for that. It's like the all-star player. People love Frank. They say, like, when in doubt, grab the Frank. It's just one of those super utility oils that can be used in so many ways for immune health, for skin health, for mood, so any type of anxiety or any type of depression disorder, things like that, you can use frankincense. But for me, it's like, I'll use it in my nighttime routine. So I'm getting ready to go to bed. After I'm clean and getting ready to go to bed, I use one squirt of like jojoba oil. I'll put 3 drops of frankincense oil and I'll rub it on as a skin, like a face lotion. And then also during the day, I have it actually in my truck. And sometimes I'll just use a drop, and there's age spots. As I'm getting older, I actually have a couple right here along the side, and I'll put it on there. It's good for saggy skin. So even places where there's wrinkles, if you want to use it under the eyes, you can use it on the neck. So it's a great player. I mean, it's awesome for skincare and awesome for anti-aging. Probably my second favorite oil.